So I'm going to give you a nickname if you don't mind. I'm going to call you Goose, okay? And you've got this large patch on the side of your lower abdomen here. So this is a very sharp 6mm punch biopsy tool. I'm going to get right at the leading edge of this. I'm just pushing down while I twist gently. Don't have to go too. So we're just going to grab that right there. And I'm going to take the scissors and just go right underneath, snip that off.
Maybe.
Came right off, and we're going to put this in the specimen cup. I'm going to hand that to you and have you hand that back to me with a 5-0 or a 4-0, whatever suture we have there. Good, that's right, we want that. That's right on the edge of that, so this will actually allow the pathologist to see the difference between the normal skin and the affected skin. So I want to be sure that that's exactly what we're dealing with here, okay? Mr. Goose, you still with me?
Yes.
All right, so this is a little 4-0 Proline. We'll just stitch that right up.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7. I took mine today. How about you?
I'm actually...
You told me you weren't sharing your regular medicines, but...
I was sharing Dr. G's medicine, my Meta 7.
Yeah.
With some coworkers and my boss in the office, and they love it. And we all haven't been sick. We've all felt great. We've all had energy. And I've gotten everybody to hop on board with me. Yeah, so. And your boss actually, you were supposed to come buy a bottle for your boss because she loves it, right? Yes, and but I didn't do that. I got the checkbook. I did, so okay. It's okay. All right.